you're gonna have a shiny polish.
Wait, that one's granite?
No, that one.
Oh, that one.
This one. Yeah, marble is one.
Good job, man. Good job.
I don't have a sample of marble, but mainly marble is like white and like light colors. Right.
You can tell marble because you can look kind of like, it looks transparent.
Looks like a marble.
That's quartzite.
Quartzite. Do we have a quartzite
I
here?
think I see one right here.
That is correct. Good job. Yeah, you get a star.
Hey, I'll go up. Hey, you're out here.
Try that.
That one is mainly only one color.
Ah.
There's a variance to it. There's like a grayer one, but mainly it looks like that.
Travertine and marble are the lighter weight?
Yes. So there's marble, travertine, granite,
Oh, sweet. Yeah, right there.
quartz, and quartzite. And the reason we want to know what we're working with is because not all material we polish the same. Like marble is super soft, so like you can go like with a nail and it'll scratch, you know. Travertine, second soft. Granite is harder. Quartz, which is a manufactured stone. So this pretty much you can do anything to it and it won't break because it's super compressed. Like you can lift it, drop it, and it won't
It's
break.
like plastic. Easy to break, huh?
Marble is the most fragilest one. It's at the bottom. That's the
Yeah,
softest
that's
and
pretty-
the most fragile.